Hello everyone, good morning. Today I am going to explain all English tenses in detail. Tenses. What do you mean by tenses? Tenses, the word tense is derived from Latin word tempus, which means time. In this way, we can say tenses are simply the way that talk about time. It indicates the time as present, past, future. हम हमेशा बात करते हैं कि कोई काम तुम आज कर रहे हो या कोई काम कर चुके हो या किसी काम को तुमने नेक्स्ट डे करना है, ये होता है समय। और समय क्या होता है? टेंस। According to time, we have three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. First of all, let us know what is the difference between present and past. Present tense. Present tense means whatever is happening in present. जो भी काम तुम एट रैंडम उसी समय कर रहे हो, ये होता है प्रेजेंट टेंस. एट दिस टाइम यू आर वॉचिंग द वीडियो, यू आर लिसनिंग मी, दैट इज प्रेजेंट टेंस. सेकेंड टेंस इज पास्ट टेंस. वट एवर हैज़ ऑलरेडी बीन completed, the work you have completed, that is past tense. Third tense is future tense. Anything which is yet to be done. जिस काम को आपको अभी आपने शुरू नहीं किया है, आपका काम कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है, वो काम आपको भविष्य में करना है, आप करोगे, ये कहलाता है फ्यूचर टेंस. नाउ कम द फॉर्म्स ऑफ द टेंसेस. As we have read that there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. So we have further divided these tenses into four forms. These are simple tense, simple, or we can say it indefinite. Second is continuous, third is perfect, and fourth is perfect continuous. Now first of all we will talk about present tense. So we can say that there are four forms of present tense: simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. First form is simple, or we can say it indefinite present tense. What it means? What does simple tense define? It means there is no certainty. When is the work performed, there is no certainty to complete. जिस काम में कंप्लीट करने की कोई सर्टेनिटी नहीं होती, आपने काम स्टार्ट किया लेकिन इस बात का कोई कंफर्मेशन नहीं है दैट यू हैव कंप्लीटेड, यू आर डूइंग वर्क, ये कहलाता है सिंपल टेंस या इंडेफिनिट. सेकंड इज कंटिन्यूस. कंटिन्यूस मीन्स समथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन, इट इज प्रोग्रेसिव. इफ इट इज फॉर present tense, it is going on. It is used for past tense, तो something was going on, पहले कोई काम हो रहा था. And then we will use it in future tense, it means something will be going on. Third form is perfect tense. Perfect, as you can see in the picture, perfect or complete. Perfect means something has just completed, कोई काम पूरा हो चुका है. ऑल कंप्लीटेड विद इन अ गिवन टाइम. जो आपने काम के लिए समय दिया, उस काम पर आपने उस काम को पूरा कर लिया, ये कहलाता है परफेक्ट टेंस. फॉर प्रेजेंट टेंस एंड पास्ट टेंस एंड फॉर फ्यूचर टेंस. एंड फोर्थ फॉर्म इज परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. यू कैन सी परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस, इट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ परफेक्ट थर्ड फॉर्म एंड सेकेंड फॉर्म कंटिन्यूस. समथिंग विच वाज स्टार्टेड इन द पास्ट, कोई काम आपने पास्ट में स्टार्ट किया, स्टिल कंटिन्यूज, अभी भी चल रहा है, एंड विल बी कंटिन्यूड. और वो आगे भी चलता रहेगा। ये आता है परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में। लेट अस, you can see the chart. There are 12 possible verb tense. You can see first is written verb tense. वर्ब की जो टेंस होती है उसकी 3 फॉर्म हो गई, प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस एंड फ्यूचर टेंस। प्रेजेंट टेंस, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस। नाउ कम टू पास्ट टेंस। सेम प्रोसेस इज हियर, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous। अब आते हैं फ्यूचर टेंस पर। फ्यूचर टेंस हैज़ आल्सो 4 फॉर्म्स, फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट, फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट एंड फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस। Let us start present tense. As I have shown you in the previous page, present tense has 4 forms: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. We will read about this one by one. First of all, we will start with present tense, and the first form of present tense is simple present, or we can say it present indefinite tense. Simple present. The simple present is used to describe an action, an event or condition that is occurring in the present at the moment of speaking or writing. In a very simple language, we can say that verbs in simple present tense indicates habit and universal truth, general actions. इट मीन्स जो काम हम एक हैबिट की बात करते हैं, जनरल एक्शन की बात करते हैं, वो सब आता है सिंपल प्रेजेंट और प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में। वर्ब सिंपली एंड्स विद एस और ई एस। इफ द सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर वी यूज एस और ई एस। इफ द सब्जेक्ट इज प्लूरल वी डोंट यूज एस और ई एस। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई प्ले, ही और शी प्लेज। As you know that you, they, we and I, these words are plural. He, she, it, these words are singular. So when we use verb with singular, we use s or es in present indefinite, and if the subject is plural we use simple verb की फर्स्ट फॉर्म। आई प्ले, मैं खेलता हूँ। एक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन, एक्शन हो रहा है। इट इज़ आवर जनरल नेचर, इट इज़ जनरल एक्शन। आई प्ले, वी प्ले, यू प्ले, दे प्ले। बट इफ वी हैव टू से he, we have to use he, we have to use she, we will use she, he plays, she plays. For singular subject we will use s or es. For plural subject we will not use s or es. One more example, Ram plays in the garden. Ram is singular subject, Ram plays, plays. If we will use this for plural, they play in the garden, they play, हमने they के साथ क्या यूज़ किया, play. But for Ram we have used the word plays. Student plays, child plays. But for children play, बच्चा play, लेकिन बच्चे plays. Boy plays, boys play. Second form of present tense is present continuous. Present continuous emphasizes the continuing nature of an act, event or condition. we can say the verbs in simple present continuous, they show the continuing nature of event of action. For example, I am playing, he or she is playing, they are playing, you are playing, we are playing. We use subject plus is or are or am according to subject. If the subject is I, अगर subject I होता है, we use am with I. If the subject is he or she, we use is. He is, she is. And if the subject is plural, we use are. I am, he is, she is, they are, you are, we are. Boy is, boys are, child is, children are. प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म ing. I am playing, you are playing, they are playing, he is playing, she is playing. Now we will see the third form of present tense, that is present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe action that began in the past and continues into the present and has just been completed. As I told you that the present tense means, present perfect means something that has just completed. कोई ऐसा काम जो बिल्कुल पूरा हो चुका है, पास्ट में स्टार्ट हुआ है और प्रेजेंट में चल रहा है और बिल्कुल जस्ट अभी कंप्लीट हुआ है. We can see the example of this present perfect tense. First example is I have played. In this tense, we use subject plus has or have according to subject plus verb की third form. If the subject is singular, we use has. If the subject is plural, we use have. He is singular subject, so we use has with he, and she also singular subject, we use has with she. He has, she has, but for I we use have. You have, they have. Boys have, but boy has. Child has, children have. Ram has, students have. It means subject plus has or have according to subject plus verb की third form. Now is the fourth form of present tense, the present perfect continuous. It is used to describe an action, event or condition that has begun in the past and continues into the present. Something which was started in the past, पहले शुरू हो गई, अभी भी चल रही है और will be continued, आगे भी चलती रहेगी. For example, I have been playing. He or she has been playing. It means subject. It may be singular or plural, both. Subject plus has or have according to subject plus been plus verb, but because the form is perfect continuous, continuous is also included in this form, so we will use ing in verb. हम ing का इस्तेमाल करेंगे verb में. So mean subject plus has or have plus been plus verb की first form ing. He has been playing, she has been playing, you have been playing, I have been playing, we have been playing, they have been playing. Now come to past tense. As present tense, past tense also has four forms: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Let us start past indefinite. We can say it simple past. The simple past is used to describe an action, an event or condition that occurred in the past. कोई ऐसा कार्य, कोई घटना, कोई स्थिति जो कि पास्ट में घटित हुई। तुम स्कूल आए, तुमने काम पूरा किया, तुमने पढ़ाई की, तुम बैठ गए, तुम सो गए, तुम खेले, जो काम हो चुका है उसको कहा जाता है पास्ट टेंस, और उसमें आता है ये सिंपल पास्ट। वर्ब्स इन सिंपल पास्ट टेंस इंडिकेट्स एक्शन हैपेंड इन द पास्ट. In this tense, in this form, the verb simply end with ed, second form of the verb. For example, I played, he played, she played, because played is the second form of play. You played, they played, the boy played, the boys played, the student played, the students played. Subject is singular or plural. We have to use the second form of the verb. Now come past continuous. Just like present continuous, the action is going on, but in present continuous the action is going on, and in past continuous the action was going on. Present continuous में काम हो रहा है और past continuous में काम हो रहा था past में. For example, I was playing, he or she was playing, you were playing. When we were reading present continuous, there was I am playing, he is playing, you are playing. मैं खेल रहा हूँ, तुम खेल रहे हो, वह खेल रहा है, लेकिन है जो है वह हो रहा है, we will change it into past, और है का past क्या हो गया? था. So we have to change the helping verb. Is or am will be changed into was or verb, was or were according to subject. Subject is singular, we will use was. Subject is plural, we will use were. I was playing, he or she was playing, you were playing, they were playing. लड़का बच्चा एक है, the child was playing. बच्चे बहुत सारे हैं, the children were playing. विद्यार्थी एक है, student was playing. लेकिन अगर students बहुत सारे हैं, the students were playing. It means subject plus was or were plus verb की first form plus ing. Now past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to refer to actions that took place and were completed in the past. Just like present perfect tense, the work has been completed, but in past tense. Present perfect continuous, we have told that it has just completed, but in past perfect continuous it has completed in the past. हमने जब प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस की बात की थी तो हमने बात की थी काम पूरा हो जाता है, बट जस्ट नाउ अभी काम पूरा हुआ है. लेकिन इन पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस काम कंप्लीट हो चुका है इन द पास्ट, भूतकाल में पहले कंप्लीट हो चुका है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैड प्लेड, ही हैड प्लेड, शी हैड प्लेड. इट मीन्स द सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड. देयर विल बी ओनली वन helping verb that will be used in the sentence, and that is had. There is no option for singular or plural. If the subject is singular, we will use had. Subject is plural, we will use had plus verb की third form of the verb. I had played. I is plural. He had played. She had played. You had played. They had played. एक बच्चा, the child had played. बच्चे, children had played. Again, subject plus had. Had is helping verb plus third form of the verb. Fourth form of past tense is past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous is used to indicate that a continuing action in the past began before another past action began and interrupted the first action. What it means? It means कि कोई काम पहले शुरू हुआ, कोई काम कंटिन्यूशन में चल रहा है और उसके साथ ही दूसरा काम भी स्टार्ट हो गया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I had been playing, he or she had been playing, they had been playing, you had been playing. Just like in present perfect continuous, we used has, have plus been plus verb first form ing. Here we will use had as we had used it in perfect past perfect tense. Now we will start the future tense. Just like present tense and past tense, future tense has four forms. Future indefinite, we can say it simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. So let us start future indefinite tense, simple future tense. The simple future is used to refer to action that will take place after the act of speaking or writing. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि कोई काम होगा आपके बोलने के लिखने के बाद. It means that the work is not started. The verb in simple future tense indicates that will happen, the action, the work that will start, that will happen in the future. And so the verb begins with will or shall. काम होता है, काम हो गया और काम होगा. तुम स्कूल आते हो, तुम स्कूल आते थे, तुम स्कूल आओगी. I shall play. Here we will start the sentence with subject. Subject may be singular or plural. It may be I, it may be he, she, it may be you, we, they. So subject plus will or shall according to subject and plus first form of the verb. No ing, no second or third form. We will use only first form of the verb. I shall play, he will play, she will play, you will play, they will play. Second form of future tense is future continuous. The future continuous tense is used to describe actions ongoing in future. कि वो काम जो कि होएगा, काम स्टार्ट होगा फ्यूचर में. The future progressive is used to refer to continuing action that will occur in the future. For example, I shall be playing. He or she will be playing. Just like present continuous, past continuous, future continuous tense, there will be ing subject plus will or shall according to subject plus be plus first form of the verb plus ing. It means in present continuous something is going on, in past continuous something was going on, and in future continuous something will be going on. हमने प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस में कहा आई एम प्लेइंग, मैं खेल रहा हूँ, ये प्रेजेंट है. पास में इसी बात को हम क्या कहेंगे कि मैं खेल रहा था, और उसी बात को फ्यूचर में कहा जाएगा खेल रहा हूँ नहीं, खेल रहा था नहीं. अब हम इसमें बोलेंगे खेल रहा हूँगा, मैं खेलूँगा नहीं, खेल रहा हूँगा. आई शैल बी प्लेइंग, ही विल बी प्लेइंग, शी विल बी प्लेइंग, दे विल बी प्लेइंग, you will be playing. Subject plus will or shall. Will or shall will be always used in future all forms. Plus be plus verb की first form plus ing. third form of future tense is future perfect tense. The future perfect is used to refer to an action that will be completed sometime in the future before another action take place. दूसरा काम शुरू होने से पहले ही कोई काम भविष्य में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई शैल हैव प्लेड, he or she will have played. And last form of future tense is future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous tense is used to indicate a continuing action that will be completed at some specified time in the future. कि एक निश्चित समय, काम के लिए एक निश्चित समय दिया जाएगा. काम कंप्लीट नहीं है, काम कंप्लीट नहीं था, काम कंप्लीट होगा, बट इन अ वेरी स्पेसिफाइड टाइम. एक निश्चित समय पे कंप्लीट होगा. तुम 1 घंटे में पढ़ चुके होंगे, तुम सुबह से काम कर रहे होंगे. आई शैल हैव बीन प्लेइंग, ही और शी विल हैव बीन प्लेइंग. सीधी बात हमें एक बात समझ में आती है, इफ देयर इज कंटिन्यूअस इन एनी फॉर्म वी हैव टू यूज ING. Last, there is a chart for present, past and future and all forms of tenses. You can see in the chart. This is present tense, past tense, future tense. What you have learnt from this video, you can see in the chart. Simple present, simple past, simple future. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. You can see the difference between among present, past and future. First of all, again we will start simple present. I play. There is only use of verb की first form. We have used the first form of the verb in the sentence. Past, simple past, we have used the second form of the verb. I play, मैं खेलता हूँ, काम होता है. I played, मैं खेला, past tense. Future tense, I shall play, मैं खेलूँगा. Present continuous, I am playing, काम हो रहा है. The work is going on, मैं खेल रहा हूँ. वही बात अगर पास्ट में कही जाएगी तो हूँ के बजाय हम क्या बोलेंगे हिंदी में, मैं खेल रहा हूँ नहीं, मैं खेल रहा था. तो so the helping verb will also be used, will be changed. I was playing. And in future continuous tense, I shall be playing. But in continuous tense, in present, past and future, we have used verb plus ing. It means we have to understand that we will use ing, verb plus ing in present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. Now come perfect tense. In present perfect, subject plus have plus verb की third form. Past continuous, subject plus had plus verb की third form. And in future perfect, subject plus shall plus have plus verb की third form. It means in perfect form we use verb की third form, verb की third form, verb की third form. In continuous we have used verb की first form plus ing, verb की first form plus ing, verb की first form plus ing. In present, simple present, verb की first form, simple past, verb की second form. There is only one form is there, that is simple past. Here we use only second form of the verb. And in simple future we use will or shall plus verb की first form. And last is present perfect continuous. Have been, has been ing, past perfect continuous, had been ing And future perfect continuous shall have been plus ing, because there is continuous, progressive, continuous. We have to use ing and ing in present, past and future with verb. Thank you.